Hello everyone. This is my review of the Kolea Anti-Glare Matte Screen Protector for my Tacoma's 14-inch touchscreen. On bright sunny days, the stock screen can reflect a lot of light and make it hard to see, but this matte finish really does reduce that glare. So the display stays easier to read without squinting or shading it with my hand. Another big plus is the anti-fingerprint feel. Even after driving around and touching the screen multiple times, I notice far fewer smudges and greasy marks. It stays much cleaner looking than bare glass, which makes the interior look nicer and means I don't have to wipe it down constantly. The installation was surprisingly straightforward. It lined up with the screen nicely and didn't trap too many bubbles. I took my time, used the dust removal stickers, and got it smooth. One thing that stood out is that the matte finish gives the display a slightly softer look. It still looks sharp, but with less shine, which feels more comfortable in the eyes over long drives. There's a subtle change in display clarity because of the matte surface. It's not a huge issue, but if you're used to super crisp glass, it might feel a little different at first. Also, you still want to be careful during installation so you don't dust up the adhesive side. Even a speck can show. Overall, if you want less glare, fewer fingerprints, and a cleaner looking dash without sacrificing touchscreen responsiveness, this anti-glare matte screen protector is a solid accessory for a 2024 to 2026 Tacoma. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.